Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a trick I made up. I know, this is Lego. My friend made it. My mom won't let me get a real one. So, over the hand, back, index finger under, spin, grab the top. Now, fast ways would be like this. Okay, let's try that again. See? Now I'll do it slow again. Now, hold it kind of to the side, over your hand, back, index finger goes under, spin it, grab. Now, fast again. And again. Remember, grab the top, always. Over, back, index finger under, spin, grab. Now, one more time, fast. Okay, well, it's kind of hard because it's Lego, so. And I'll post more videos on this Lego butterfly knife if people like. And that's it for today. Goodbye, or you will die.